like Dusty is inside. Let's go in through the garage man door.
Oh, okay.
Because if Dusty's inside, he'll try to run away.
Oh, you know what? Is that one of the cats?
No, he's my little dog, and he's an escape artist.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting in your way.
That's okay. Just thought I'd get. First time in the light of day in 36 years. See, we got the Dominelli Car.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Oh, beautiful.
Look at that.
Awesome. Seen the light of day for the first time in 36 years. 36 years. Wow.
Look at that platform. How much you want for it?
Well, let's see what happens.
Interior's not bad at all. Beautiful. Boy, I think the paint will be nice if you buff it out.
I think there's a kind of shiny.
Is this out of a barn?
Well, I guess it's a barn find, but it was a Southern California garage. Rough Street up in Tierra Santa. Tierra Santa garage.
Oh, very nice. It's complete too.
Yeah.
It's all there. Look at it's got good gaps in the hood.
Yeah. That's the stuff I look at. Got the notches.
There's the notches.
Yeah.
Reserved for
Yeah. Did you get
36
that?
years.
Jonathan will have it.
Yeah.
Well, this is a 280 SL, 1968, nicknamed the Pagoda. Heinz Geeth's company owned the car at one time, which is a factory authorized Mercedes service point in La Jolla. He sold it to J. David Dominelli, aka Jerry David Dominelli, the famous or infamous financial guru in San Diego. And the way we got the car, when Mrs. Dominelli was divorcing Jerry Dominelli, she gave the car up for legal fees and proceeded to divorce him. His company melted down. He was indicted, fled to the Bahamas, was extradited, and stood trial. There were hundreds of millions of dollars lost, I'm told, because of his investment empire when it crashed. He was linked with a lot of San Diego politicians and other well-known people. It sat for 36 years. Exactly the way you see it, covered in dust. It was in Tierra Santa, in the garage of an attorney, again, who worked for a firm that Mrs. Dominelli went. After the attorney bought the car in around 1983, shortly after that, her home was burglarized under mysterious conditions. Keys were taken and the title was apparently taken, or it was at least missing. She tried to get a new title. Mercedes-Benz said, or she tried to get keys for it, and Mercedes-Benz said, show us the title. She said, I don't have a title. And basically threw her hands up, I don't need to drive this car, and it sat there in her garage. Metal Man, Andre,
Okay.
what do you think of the body?
Let's check this out.
Do your thing.
Now, when you stand back from this car, it looks beautiful to me. I don't see any damage anywhere on this car. You know, there's just a little bit of cosmetic work that we can do, but for me, I don't see any work that I can do on this car metal-wise. It looks very straight.
You don't have to get out the big welder or anything like that?
No, I don't think so. Looking at the body and everything right now, it's really nice for sitting for 30, almost 40 years. Just the cosmetic stuff. And you look down, beautiful straight car. What I like about this car too is the interior is all original. Look at these beautiful seats in here. You know, they're really dusty. But that leather on there is incredible. It's so thick. It's almost like steer hide.
Might
seats.
be MB Tex. If it was leather, it probably wouldn't be this nice.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the interior looks beautiful.
It appears to be mostly original.
Yeah, it looks really good. I don't see not a spit of rust anywhere. And when you look at this, boy, that's beautiful red paint here.
Andre, did you notice the tires?
The tires?
I've never. Here's a little secret. I've never bought a bad car that had Michelin tires. 37, 38 years old.
Yeah.
But the tread is like new.
Yeah, look at the tires.
So whoever's going to start driving it will want to change them.
Right,
But, but those are not a cheap Michelin. Those are really good ones.
But look at the design of this car. I just love these cars. Going back here, the back looks beautiful. And you know what's wonderful about this car? It's a black plate car. Do you know how rare it is to have a black plate Mercedes? And most license plates probably come with the car and we'll be able to register
if
the
it's
black.
if it's a California buyer, the plates go with the car.
Yeah, and to have a black plate Mercedes, that's really good.
It's not one of the new repro plates that the DMV offers. No, this is
Right.
the real plate.
The real one.
This is a 68 plate.
Right. It's right before they changed the blue plates.
Yes, 70 was the blue plate.
Yeah, all underneath, just cosmetic stuff. I don't see any rust anywhere. This must have been garaged.
It's in a garage, yeah.
Ah.
Unlike the Austin Healey that we found sitting for 40 years, there were no rats jumping out of this
right,
thing.
yeah.
There were rats jumping out of the Healey.
You know, I think this car would be just an excellent restoration project for somebody. What do you think the motor looks like? Can we open this? Let's check out the motor. I want to look at the firewall and stuff. That's what I'm interested in.
Oh, the
Mechanics.
original firewall pads and all that. Well, you definitely tell it's not been run for
Yeah, it hasn't been
decades.
Yeah, really nice. See, I like to look at down here.
The spot welds.
Spot welds are really good.
You know, all the fluids will need to be drained and
Right.
flushed and then refilled before anyone would attempt to start it. And we're probably not going to do that. I think there's a beauty of leaving something in its
Original.
saved original state,
Right.
and allowing the next caretaker to take it to whatever level they want to take it to.
Right.
Because some folks would just get it running and driving, clean out the gas and whatever mechanical maintenance is required, and maybe polish the paint, but not repaint, not rechrome, and just drive it as found.
An everyday driver.
Yeah, there's something very appealing to that, because anyone can restore a car. It's just money.
Right. No, you know, if you go to a car show, a car like this will probably have a crowd of people around it because it's all original.
And you can see, we aired the tires up. They were flat. The neighbor helped me air. This is where it sat on her garage floor.
For a long
The
time.
tires were down to about 10 pounds.
Yeah.
And this was at the bottom. And just the debris from her garage.
Yeah, this is like where rusting starts. And look at,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. Nothing at all.
So that's the beauty of a black
Nothing
plate
for me to
California
fix.
car.
No metal to fix.
Yeah.
Look at that, how well that closes. And it's that thud. you know.
Horses do a ping.
Do
The
they?
Mercedes just do a
Yeah, you
thud.
can tell that's real quality. And what I like is all the lines around here are
Lines.
just perfect.
Yeah, they're roughly 3 millimeters.
Yeah,
everywhere.
they're just unmolested. This is all from the factory. No work's ever been done on this car. It's a virgin car.
We're going to scrutinize it closer and see if we uncover
Sure.
anything, but
Yeah, just cosmetic stuff. It looks like a little paint and maybe get the motor up to running condition. And
it's nice, it's intact, it's not
Right.
perfect. It's got a patina. Even if it's a heavy patina, it's a patina.
yeah, but if you took your time to polish this up, it would just come out beautiful. Look at the color here. Here's the original color right here.
Inside, I think
Look
this is
at that.
268 signal red.
Look how
I
beautiful.
think we have a
that is.
shiny signal
Wow,
red
yeah.
car around here somewhere.
Look at that, and the rubber doesn't look bad.
Yeah, it's got to be original weather seals.
Yeah.
Okay.